dashboard. From here I'll be teaching you how to customize your WordPress website, and if you pay good attention to this video, you will learn something that others charge money to teach. The first step you have to take immediately, you log into your WordPress dashboard. But before we go into that, let me explain all of these things here, the works and what they are used for. The first one is dashboard. The dashboard is this place. I know you understand that one. And the home also means the dashboard. Update, this one means that WordPress, you can see here, the version I'm using is 6.7.1 version. If it happens that 6.7.2 version comes out tomorrow, then they will notify me here to update my WordPress version. So the second one is posts. This is the place you can follow to write any blog post of your choice after designing your website. Here you can see this is all posts, and the second one is add new post. If you check the all post, it will show you all the blogs, all the posts you've made in your website. And the second one is add new post. If you click here, it will take you to where you will write a new post. And the second one is the categories. When we get to that step, I will teach you. I will also show you what categories is talking about. So tags, and also that when we get there, I will also show you. And the second one is comments. This one is if you get any comment on your blog post, then you will be notified here. And appearance, this is where you will follow to customize your website. We are coming back here, but let me finish explaining this. Here is plugins. Here are the place you will install some plugins which you will use to run your website. Here you can see installed plugins. If I click here, you will see all the plugins, the available plugins here. And the second one is add new plugin. This one is if you want to add a new plugin. And the second one is users. Here are the place if you want to add a new user to this website. You can make someone an administrator or moderator or anything you want to add as a user. And here is tools, available tools, import, export, site health. They are all tools. When we get into the main business, I'll be explaining all of them. Settings, this is the place you can follow to set your WordPress, your website. You can also follow here, but when we get there, I will teach more. This one is a plugin, speedy cache. This one is for cleaning caches on your website. When we also get there, I will also teach you. This one you can see collapsement. If you click that one, this will close like this. So that's the work of that one. And the first step we will be taking here is to go to appearance. When you go to appearance, then you come over here and click on themes. And when you click on themes, you can see the available themes here. You can see the available themes. If you check our website, you will see the website is running on this theme, and this is not how we want our website to be. So we'll be customizing our website, making it to look the way we want it to look like. So here, when you get to this point, the next step you have to take is to remember where I clicked on appearance and then clicked on themes. Then here you click on upload theme. And when you click here, you come over here, you see choose file. Here you click on choose file. And when you click on choose file, it will take you to your device and search for the, here is it, square type. And when you get here, you click on install now. Okay, here you can see installing theme from uploaded file, square type zip. Here you can see unpacking the package, installing the theme installed successfully. Then the next step you have to take is to click on activate so that the theme will start functioning. And when you get here, we've successfully installed the theme. And here you can see here, this theme recommends the following plugins. You don't have there's no need installing all of them, but if you want to install all of them, you just click on begin installing plugins. So these plugins are the tools you'll be needing for this theme to work properly. But here, let me show you the most important ones. If you come over here, you will see first we'll have to install this one. You come here, you click on install now. Okay, you click on activate. Okay, you come over here again, you also select this one click demo import. Okay, you select, you also activate. Then another one is power kit. You also install this one. Activate. Then another one is advanced pop-up canvas contactors. Okay, you don't need to install any of them again, unless you can also install this search WP Live Agile Search. You can install this, you can decide choose to install it or leave it, but let me just install it because I'll be showing you some things later with it. So after that, you click on activate as usual. Okay, now we've been able to install some plugins we'll be using. And if you come over here, come on plugin, you remember what I told you before, that is the work of plugins. They are used for running the website. Here you can click on installed plugins to see the available plugins. Here we don't need this, then mark it. We don't need this. Hello Dolly. We need this one, we need this one, we need this, we need this. We don't need this. We don't also need this. And after that, you come over here and click on deactivate. Then you click on apply. Then after that, you come again, come to inactive. Here it can show you all those plugins that you just deactivated. You click on select all here, and then go over here and click on delete. You make sure that you delete and remove all of them. Here you can see, are you sure you want to delete the selected plugins and their data? Then click on OK. Here you can see they have been deleted, and the remaining plugins here are 4 plugins. And then scroll up here, you will see add new plugins. Click on add new plugins and come here. You'll be needing this, which is a classic editor. Then you click on it, and don't forget to click activate. Okay, you go again, click on add new plugin, and then come over here. We also need this classic widget. You can install them and click activate. Then after that, remember we removed the speedy catch plugin. We'll have to replace it with another plugin. When we get there, we'll tell you the name of the plugin. Click on add new plugin as usual, and come over here, search plugins, and click search light speed catch. Then here you can see it here. Here you can see it here. So you have to install it as well. and then click activate. Now we have 7 plugins. This is the only important plugin that you will need so that you use them to design the website. So later, if you want to if you have any feature you want to have on your website, then you install the plugin differently. But for now, these are the plugins we need here. 7 plugins. And also remember, if you check here, you see active plugin 7. So if you have any inactive plugin, make sure that you delete it, because if you leave it here, if you apply for something like AdSense can never approve your website just because of that one thing. So make sure the thing is clean like this. So after this, then the next thing we'll be doing is come over here and come to pages. Here you click on all pages and come over here, select all of them and delete, move to trash and click apply. Then you come here, you click on trash and select all of them again, select permanently delete and then click apply. Now we don't have any page again. When we talk about page, if you check this website, if you check a website like this one, okay, I just want to explain to you what the page is all about. If you check this website, if you come down here, you see this here. These are the pages. This is a privacy policy page, terms and conditions page, about us page, contact us page. So that's what you want to add now. So we'll be adding them here. Remember, I've deleted all the pages here. Then you come over here, you see add new page. When you click on add new page, it will take you to this place. Here you can write terms, or let's write privacy policy. Okay, remember what we saw there? Okay, you can see the privacy policy. So here is it. Privacy policy. Just add that. After writing that, you come over here and click on publish. Okay, you can see here page published. Now you click on add new page again. Remember, the next thing here is terms and conditions. So you have to add it. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Then you click on publish. Then the next one is contact us. You click on publish. The next one is about us. You click publish. Okay, I think we've been able to add some. Let's check the available page. Click on all pages. So you can see how many we have. About us page, privacy policy page, terms and conditions page. It's still remaining one. Okay, when you check here, you see okay, contact us, terms and conditions, about us, privacy policy, terms and conditions. We still need a contact us page. Then you come here and click on add new page. Contact us. Then you click on publish. Then a next step you have to take. Here you can check and see the How many? We have 4 pages here: about us page, contact us page, privacy policy page, and terms and condition page. If you are designing a website, especially for blog, for if you want to apply for Google Ads, make sure you have all these pages. And after this, then the next step we have to take is to come to post. Okay, when you come to post, here you click on categories. Yes, this is the next step you take. When you click on categories, then here you put your categories. Remember, the website we are designing is a news and entertainment website. So when you are designing a news and entertainment website, the categories should be adding here. If you come to this website, this is here you will see this is news, this is reviews, features, tutorials, contact us. These are the categories. So if you are designing a website, you also check this. If you check this one is a travel website. So if you check here, you see jobs, hotels, FS, travel gist, and travel agencies, contact us. These are the categories. So this is a travel blog. So if you come to the one we are designing here, you ask yourself, what's the niche of this website? This particular website that I'm designing is a news and entertainment website. So when you are designing it, you search for the categories that will fit what you are designing. So first of all, as a news and entertainment blog, first of all, we'll have to add the news as the first category. Then you scroll down. If you scroll down, you see add new category. Okay, you can see it has been added. You can see it here. Then the next one you add is add entertainment. You must not add the same thing with me because you know what your website is all about. So if your website is for travel, you can do the same to this. So this is a travel website. You can see jobs, hotels, FS travel. You can do the same. So you must not do what I'm doing. You must not do the same thing I'm doing here. So you can add a different categories. Okay, we've added this, and you can also do this. If you don't know the categories you use, you can ask ChatGPT to recommend some categories for you, so that it will be easier for you. So we've added 2 categories: entertainment categories and news. Okay, here you can see the next thing we'll be adding is lifestyle. Add new categories. And the next category we'll be adding is let's add sports, because it's also a news website. You add new. Okay, this is nice. And after this, you can see sports, lifestyle, entertainment, and news. Okay, that's all right. And then after that, immediately you've added this, then the next thing you have to do is to go to posts. Click on all posts. When you click on all posts, it will show you the available posts in there. This is a default post, then you have to trash it. Click on trash. If it's more than 2, you can select all of them. Here you go to trash and also delete it from the trash. Here you can delete permanently. Okay, now there is no post in this website. If you check the website, you will see an empty website. Here you can see how the website looks because it has not been customized and there is no post yet. So we'll be going to the main business now, and here you come to post again. Go to add new posts, because we'll be needing something like 5 or 6 posts so that we can use them to customize the website, so that when you are customizing your website, you also know how your customization is looking. So without posts, if you should start customizing without posts, you may not know that what you are customizing is not going right. So here, remember, this is a news and entertainment blog, so we'll be writing some topics. But before you do that, I want to show you 2 things, and you should pay attention. Here, there's no way we'll start writing a blog post here, a long blog post here. That's not advisable. So what you have to do is to come over here, go to your browser. You come over here on your browser and type dummy content. And when you search this is what you are going to see. Click over this and it will take you to display. Then copy this, and then go back to your website and then paste it here. You can use it as the body of the post, and when your client or when you are done designing the website, you can then edit each of these things. And not only this, the next step is to download images which you'll be using on your post. Do not use any image you just see. Do not download image from another website or directly from Google and use. The image may contain copyright and Google may flag your website after making the post, or when you apply for AdSense may reject your website because of the image. So you have to use a copyright free image by going to, there are 2 websites where you can get free images, like Free Pick. This is one of the websites. This place you can just search any picture you want and it will bring it to you. Then you download it and use. And another one is Pixel, and I prefer using this one because it's more simple. And remember, our website is news and entertainment website, so we'll be downloading images that is related to news and entertainment. You can just type entertainment image, then search. Okay. You can get this by clicking on install download. Now you can see that the image is downloading here. And once you download it, you can just carry this and put on your to make sure that the image is installed. You can just continue like that. I think this is also nice. Let's also download this. You can see the downloading have started, and after that you make sure it's installed. Okay, well, write something like 5 different posts, but I have some of the images already that I want to use, so I'll be using them. But I wanted to show you how you can get free images. Then after that, you scroll down here, you see set featured image. Then when you click here, you click on select files. Then it will take you to your phone, your system gallery, where you you can see the image you installed before. You can also see this one. Then you choose this. Let's just use this for now. You have to wait for it to load, and before you use these images, if you are an SEO expert, I made a post a few days ago or last month on how to optimize your image, how to put alt text, title and captions for SEO optimization, and also description. So but we are not on that now. This is a different tutorial video. So here, after your image has been uploaded, you wait for it to completely upload. But while we wait for that, let's also upload more images. There are many other images we also want to upload. Remember, this is a news and entertainment blog. So we'll also be needing and also, when getting an image, when preparing to write a blog post, you should think about the available categories that you want to use. Okay, remember we have sports categories, so we'll be needing this as well. But before we upload more, let's use this now. Then click set featured images. Now on the images here, then scroll up again. Now we can write the title, something like the richest musician in the world. So you must not use this, you can use a different thing. And when you are done editing the website, you can also edit everything here. But I just want to make a temporary post so that we can use it and design our website. And after that, don't forget to select a category. If you come over here, you see entertainment, lifestyle, news, sports on category. You can remember when we added all of these things. So the post you're writing now is entertainment, so you have to select this, and then after that you come over here and click on publish. Okay, we've successfully published the post, so you can see the post here. This is how the post will look like. Okay, let's continue, and here you click on add new post. After publishing that one, you click add new post. Then you come down here again and choose another image. Now we'll be writing about sports. Then you come over here again and type the most successful football team in the world. Okay, you also come down here and add the dummy content as well, and come over here and choose sports, because this post is talking about sports, so we'll be writing about sports. And here, after that, after selecting all of these things, adding image, choosing the category and putting your tag, then you click on publish as usual. Then after this, you click on add new post. Remember, we've added new blog posts, remaining 3, so we are adding the third one now. You click on save image. Here we've used the 2 images. You have to upload another image. Now let's write there about news, because we also have news category. So I think I have an image already, the image I want to use, which is about news. I think the image is no longer here. In case if the image is not here, then that means we'll check pixels and get images. Here, let's search for news. Okay. You can see all of these images related to news. Then it's left for you to choose any of them. To select any of them that aligns with what you want to write about. Okay, let's just be specific so that we'll easily get the image you want. News mic. Okay, I think we'll be using this particular one. Then you copy as usual to make sure that the image is there. Then the next thing you do is to go back and then click on select all. Remember where we follow to this place. Then you get the image you want to. You can see the image you just uploaded. Remember, this is the 3rd post we are making. So after this one, it will be remaining 2 posts. Okay. I think our network is slow. Okay, is here already. Then you click on set featured image, and then as usual you add your dummy content and add the title. Remember, this will be for news posts. Oh, what should be our title? Okay, breaking news. It's alright. You come here, you select news, and then you click on publish. Now we'll be writing the third post, the fourth post. Now we've written about entertainment, news, and sports. It's now remaining lifestyle and one other post. Here, you click on select image and go to upload files as usual. And then click select files. Click photos. You're writing about lifestyle. I think I have an image already. Okay, let's just use this. Okay, the image is here. Then you click on set featured image, and here give it a title. Remember, as I said before, this post is a temporary post. So after editing the website, the client or you yourself, you can choose to edit all of them and replace them with the original post. So okay, you've selected lifestyle and then publish. Wow, it's remaining one post, and we'll be writing about let's write about entertainment. Okay, upload new post. Select. I think I have there's a post here I want to use. Okay, I'm using this one. Yeah. Select feature image. Yeah. Now we publish. Okay, let's check all the posts. Remember I talked to you about this before. These two can show you all the posts on your website. Here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nice. If we check our website now, you will see the look have changed. You can see the write up here. Now, what's the next? The next now is customization, and this is where uh, the main work is. So when you get here, after you've published your posts, added categories, added pages. Remember this on media, this is the place, this place can show you all the image you have on your website. So that's the work of that one. So if you want to add new image that you use later, you can choose to click on add new media file. Here pages, we are done with this one. We've added pages, so we don't need to add new page. And okay, and here I taught you about this before, and this one, this is what we want to work with now. Go to appearance and then go to customize. Then it will take you to this place. You'll be using these tools here to customize your website. You can see the look of the website here, but there's one thing I want you to know. This thing here, theme demos, if you go to this place, if you go to our dashboard again and go to plugins okay, if you come here, you see one click demo import. So you must make sure that you have this. Remember, this was among the plugins we activated before, so you make sure that you have this. If you don't have this, that means you won't be able to see this particular tool. So the first thing, this will be the first tool. You can see the theme we are using is square type, and the first step here is theme demos. When you come here, you can use this to automatically add a hero section. I will be explaining what hero section is all about later. So, and here, remember, this is the header, and this is a toggle menu, and this is sidebar, and here is the footer down here, and this is the body of the website, and this is a sidebar. So we will be activating each of these to know the one we will be using. Let's activate the first one. It will ask you warning, activating a demo. A demo will reset all current customization. Then you click OK. Now you can see how our website looks. So this is how that particular demo looks like. Okay, it's like we'll be using this this particular one, but I'll have to show you some things along the line. So let's just use the first one, which is square type. Okay, and then go back, and here is site identity. The second one will be working on a site identity. So site identity is this name here. You can choose to add a logo. So if your client give you a logo to use, then you can follow here and upload it, and the logo will come up here, just like this one here. Okay, and this one is large logo, which is the main logo, and here's the footer logo. This one will appear at the down part, like this one here. Okay, and the site icon. Okay, this one footer logo. Title is this name here. News and entertainment is the explanation of the description of your website. And site icon, when you upload this one, it will be showing like this icon here, this icon here, this icon here. So that's how to do that one. So we don't have any logo here, but in case if you have, then you can follow here and add them as I showed you. And the next step we'll be using is design. Okay, here we can select the color we want to use. Here is dark mode. When you activate this enable dark mode, your website will have an option to make your website dark like this. Okay, but I don't need this, so I will remove it. Okay, then the main thing you'll be working on is light schemes. Here you choose, this particular one is the primary color. When you change the color, all these colors here will change. All these colors will change. So let's try it. The primary color, you should remember this is a news and entertainment blog, so you will be choosing the right color. Let's try this. Okay, I think this fit this is nice for news and entertainment. Then after that one, you click here, then click on link color. This one, let's leave it this way. So this one is if you okay, all this color here, or let's just change it so that you will see what I'm talking about. When you change this, let me select red. Then here you will see the color here will change. And the next one is overlay. Leave this one this way. And the header background is this place. So we'll choose another one. Choose the same color you choose for primary color. You can choose to use another color, but I prefer using this because I'm a graphic designer, so I know a color this thing. When you have more than 3 colors in one design, it won't be looking nice. So navigational bar background, you can just select the same color, and also come down here, navigational submenu background, you can also choose the same. Okay, this is looking nice. So the next one, you don't need to do anything here, leave this one this way. So the next one we'll be working on is you click on this arrow to go back. We'll be working on typography. The typography will change the text and how they look. So here you will see this is a general, and here you'll be customizing all of them. In this place, let's use sans serif. Okay. You can choose to use any other font, but I just want to use this one. Will leave it this way, leave this one this way, leave this one this way, and here you leave this way, and this one you make this one 0.75 rem, and you leave this way. This one you make it 1, and here we'll leave this one this way, leave this way, and make this one 75. You must not do this, but you can use your own. You can do it the way you like, but make sure that they are all correct. So here you add the OPX. This more may not show like this. This one is showing like this because my laptop know what I want to type here already. So you can just type OPX, and this one will be this way. You select 500 here, and in this place text transform, you choose none, and this is nice like this. And font size, you'll be changing this, type 0.875, then you put make sure you put something like this, and 1.5, this one is nice like that. Skip here and come over here. This is nice and this is nice. Then after that, you make sure you cross check it and make sure that everything is well balanced. Then you click on publish, and after you click on publish, you go back, then come to logo. Then when you come to logo, you check this. You also use sans serif, and the second one, you put it on regular, or you can leave it on select if you have that option. And here we'll be putting 1.06 okay. Here you select the uppercase, and the letter spacing, you select the 3px, and here you also select sans serif, and the second one you select regular, which is font okay, 3 pixel, okay. Font variant, select regular. Display font size, you select 0625, 1.0625, and here you select uppercase, and the letter spacing, you select 3 pixel. Okay, here you also select the same. This is font family, select sans. If you check this, you see this this name here, it has changed. You know how it was looking before, and also this is the one we want to change now. And here, after selecting sans serif, you select regular, and here will be, you can see how it has changed. Font size 0625, 1.0625, and here you select the uppercase, and for letter spacing, select 3 pixel as well. Now we are done with this side. You publish, then you go back and go to headings, and here you see HG go there. You leave this way, select this to put this to 500. Here you see text transform, you leave it on none, and here 025, you leave it that way. You will select this and put it on 500, leave this one this way, Here, this is right. Uppercase, this is also nice, this is also nice. So you don't have much to do here. Then you publish. Now you go back. Now is navigational uh, step. You leave this way. Select 500 here. This is nice like this. This is nice like this. Here you select 0 pixel, and you leave this one this way. Choose 500 here. 0.875 frame. This is nice. None. You select 0 pixel here. Okay. Then you publish. Now go back, move back again, and come to the main step. The next line is header setting. Now we have large here. You have to put it on compact. Then it will change to this way. Then this one you leave it on boxed. You leave this one this way. If you select a center, this is if you select center, then you will see that it will move to the center here. So let's select left, unless you want to put it at the center. Then here, if you want this, then you can select it or you can remove it. Display navigational menu. You leave that one that way. Then you leave this one this way. Here you come down here and remove this. The work of this is that if you scroll here, you see that this header normally disappears whenever you scroll down. But if you want it to become sticky, then you come here and remove this. When you remove this, then it will become a sticky. You can see it now is no longer moving. So you can choose the one you want to use. So, but I prefer making it this way. And here, when you come here, you display off canvas toggle. You remove this because this is the system view, computer view of this website. Then let me remove it. When you remove it, to be sure of mobile friendly, you can search for a tablet. You can see here, this one is there. Don't remove this one. You can also search this. Don't remove this one. Only remove from the computer side. Display social link. Don't mark this, or if this is already there, you remove it, and then come here and remove this, so that you will be able to remove this button here, subscribe. Unless you want a subscribe button to be here, then you will also learn how to customize it, but that's not our main lesson for now. So let's remove it, remove the link, and also remove this one, and here you click on publish. And go back. Now let's customize the footer. You see general here. This is the work of that. If you come over here, you see this here, designed and developed by Code Supply Co. So you have to remove this to replace it with yours, because you're the one that customized the website. So here you use this. Okay, this is 2024 and this is the website we are designing. You can see the name here, so make sure that it's correct. Then You put it here. You can put the name of the website you are designing. Okay, this is jilanchule.com. Then after that, you can choose to put something like this. Okay, this is 2024 to jilanchule.com. All right, results. Then the next thing is designed by, I'm working for Cartruth company, so I'll have to use, I don't want to use my real name, which is Wisdom Buchi. So this is for a company, and Cartruth team. Okay, this is nice. 2024 jilanchule.com. All right, reserved. Designed by Cartruth team. And when you come down here, you will see the text will added here. So let's leave it that way. And you come down here and remove this. And then the next step is click on subscription form. Do not select this. Social link, do not select this. So you click on publish. If you come down here, you notice that there was something here, but the thing is no longer here because I've removed what that caused it. Then the next step we'll be taking is home page. Okay, this is the hero section. When I talk about the hero section, this is what I mean. This place, that's the hero section. The head like this, the main this, the first this thing like this. So we'll be clicking on general here. Let's choose because it is boxed, that's why it is this way. But if you choose a full list, full width, then it will become this way, and I prefer it being this way. Then you come down here, leave this like this auto, and don't select this. You can make it to be small or medium. So here I'll have to remove a category, which is this thing here. So when you remove it, that thing will disappear. Let's also remove auto and remove this and this. Let's just leave only date. Okay, see the date here. So you click, you go down again. You can leave this, which is display read more button. Okay, order post by date. So we leave this one this way. Exclude hero from the main archive. If you leave this thing this way, this particular post which is here won't appear. So you have to untick this, remove it, and then you see this post will also appear here. You can see it here. So now you click on the second one, which is background. This one now will be this particular one is this place, is this thing here. Okay, background, post preview image, overlay color. Leave this one this way, but make sure you check it through and make sure that everything is customized. Then right column is about this one here. Now the post appearing there is 3, so we have to make it 4 or 5, but let's just make it 4, because I think if you make it more than 5 it may not appear. But let's just try it. Let's just add 5. It will disappear because it only support 4 posts. Then you are seeing it here, it's no longer 3 but 4. display preview images. If you remove this, these images will disappear. Then remove categories, remove author, and add date and reading time. Come down here, don't do any other thing here. Don't also select this. If you select this post here won't appear below. Now come over here, you see title. The title supposed to be here. Then you add the latest, you write latest post here. Then you can see it here. So but before you write the latest post, you must make sure that this thing, other post by date, is selected date, so that it will bring in the latest post. But if you put views, ordered by views, then don't write latest post. You should write the most viewed post, or the most popular post, because it will bring in the most viewed here. So then after that, you click on publish. Now after publishing, the next step is home layout. Home layout is this place. You can see how the posts are arranged. So we have to select list to rearrange this post. You can see now that it's lined up, it's no longer double now. Then here, right side bar, you leave that in that one that way. You come down and make sure this is in small. This is here, you will see categories. You will leave this one this way, or you can choose to remove it. Let me remove it. Here author, you remove author, and date, views, you remove views, and leave it this way. Then you come down here, make sure that you select load more, and also select display borders between posts, display preview image. If you remove this, the images will disappear. So you should make sure that it is ticked this way. And here you can see, here you also select enable scale effect on hover. You can see it. You can see our post. This is looking very nice. Okay, after that, then you click on publish. You come here, come to static front page. Make sure that this is on your latest post. But if you want to use a static page, then you can use it and customize it differently. So here, let's move to another step, which is achieve. Achieve. Here you can leave it on grid, right sidebar, display preview image, display borders. You can also select this. When we talk about this is what it's talking about. This is where we are customizing now. Oh no, this is the okay. When we reach there, I will show you, because we will have to add our thing before you see what we are doing there. So let's just go on with this. Display preview may enable scale over hover. Categories, remove author, or you can choose to leave it, so that whenever you make a post, it will show the author. And remove views. Then come down here and select infinite load. Make sure that everything is correct, and then publish. After publishing, you move back and go to category. display subcategory filter. You can choose to select this or remove it. So that's all for that side. And another one is post settings. Now right sidebar, leave this way. Here categories, come down here and post method. Okay, you select this reading time. Views, you remove views. Okay, leave it this way. You also remove shares. Then move down, you leave this way. Display cropped image. Come here, select compact. Display prev next link. You remove this. Display subscribe section. You remove. Okay, it's already removed. Display tags. You leave it that way. Display excerpts, you leave it. Display comment, you remove that one. Display related section, you select that. List, leave it this way. Okay, related post layout. Here you select the, okay, you leave it this way. A maximum number of related posts 4. Other posts by, you leave it this way. Do not select this, or if you choose, you can select it. Then after that, you click on publish. Come over here and click on page setting, which is the next step. Right sidebar, leave it. Standard, leave it. Display cropped image, leave it. Display exam, leave it. This is nice. Then you go back and click on miscellaneous settings. Here, enter your search topic. This will be here. So leave that one that way. Read more, leave it. Default, leave it. Sidebar top pages, you leave it. You leave this one this way. Then you go back and go to the main place, which is menus. Now create menus. So we talk about menus. This is what we talk about, all these things here. So that's what we mean by menus. So we'll be adding our menus now. Then here you click on create new menus, and here you select the menu name. You can use something like my menu or anything you want to name your menu. Then after that, you come here and select primary and mobile, because we are adding the menu. So don't select this because this one is for footer. So after that, you click on next. When you click on next and come over here, click on add new add items. Here you select homes. Then skip this one, don't select again. The only thing I selected here is homes. Then go down here and click on categories. When you click on categories, then you add the news, sports, lifestyle, and entertainment, how we just want to arrange it. Okay, then after that, that's the only thing you'll be adding there. Then after that, you click on publish. You can see it here, they have appeared here. Then after that, you come down here, you go back and click create new menu. Here we will name it my footer. Then now you will select a footer and mobile. Don't select primary, select mobile, current. Okay, you select footer. So after that you click on next and click on add item. Say you add the page, which is the down part of it. Then you come back here and click on pages. Then do not add home, add contact us, about us, and terms and conditions, and also privacy policy. Then publish. If you scroll down here now, you will see it here, they have appeared here. So and we would like to also add a contact us here. So what we'll do is to go to my menu and click add item. So you come here and add okay, you can choose to add privacy policy alone. So you can see privacy policy have appeared here. Then here is widget. When you come here, remove this, the off canvas, and follow the same processes to remove the tray, and make sure that the space, the off canvas, is empty. Go back, you click on default sidebar. When you click on default sidebar, you also remove the blocks here, and then after removing it, when it becomes empty like this, then that's the time you will add your own. Here, first of all, we'll add search button. If you come over here, you search for search. Then here you choose either a search button, this one, a search form for your site, or you choose a search WP leave search. But I prefer using this one because the work of this one is that whenever you want to search for anything on this website, immediately you are typing any word, then it will be bringing a result for you immediately. But for this one, after typing whatever you want to search for, then you have to click search before it will bring out the result. But this one, immediately you are typing, is already bringing result for you. That's why I prefer using this one. Here then you click on search, and after that you come here, the title is already here, but if the title is not here, then you have to write it. You write search here, and then after that you come down here and click done. Then after that, the next thing we'll be adding is recent posts. Here you type recent, you can click on it and come to title and type a recent posts. Then here you increase this to 15, and then after that you click done as usual. Then the next thing we'll be adding is category. Then you can see it here. You click on categories, you put the title, categories. Okay, don't select any of these things, then you click done. Then after putting on all these things here, you scroll down here, you can see it. You can see the search button here. Let me say if you try searching something, you can see that it's already loading. Okay, let me see if I should search about if I should search lorem. Okay, there are so many posts that has that you can see it, and this as a dummy content, you can see it bringing out all the posts. Remember, I did not click search. But the other one, if you want to search something, you have to type it, then click a search button before you bring it like this one. So that's the difference. Okay. Then after that, you publish. Then after this step, when you scroll back and you go back, remember if you come here, you see that I left this on empty. If you are adding anything here, you know that whatever you are adding there will be appearing at this place. When you click here like this, it will be appearing here, or when you are using your phone, it will appear here. So but I'm not adding anything there, but if you want to add anything there, then you use the same formula I used to add other one. click add widget, then you choose any of them you want to add. Then after this, we have additional content here. The work of this one is that when you choose a general or home page or front page, post page, archive, this one is whenever you choose, let me say if I choose home page and come over here and say after header, before site content, if I type anything here, just be watching this play. If I type anything here, anything I type here, anything I'm typing there will appear here. You can see it here. Then you, after typing it, you customize it how it will be. So that's the work of that one. So for in case if you want to use it, but for me I don't normally use it. But if you have any important notice that you want to write, then use this particular tool. So for the last one here, additional CSS, this one is for those that know coding. Then this tool, you can use it to write any tool you want to write. I mean any code you want to write. You can use this particular one. You can write the header, okay. I don't know coding, so whatever I'm writing here I don't know. All I know is that I'm writing something. So this is for those that know coding. You can use this to customize anything you want to customize. Let me say if I want to change the color of this place, you can write a code here to change the color, because it seems this particular theme doesn't have a tool that you can use to change the color of this place. Then you have to write a code. So but this is not necessary, but in case if you want to use it, that's why I'm saying. So after that, we are almost done with whatever we are doing here. Remember, this is the first one we use this until we reach to this place. Immediately your website, immediately you've reached to this extent, know that your website is fully designed. You can see our work here. So when you switch it this way, this is the way our website will be looking like. This is looking very very nice. If you come over here, if you want to read a post concerning news, when you click this button, it will take you to all the posts that is talking about news. If you click on sports, it will take you to this. So after designing a website, you have to check all these buttons to make sure that all of them are working perfectly, so that whenever you apply for Google Trends or any other ad network, so that it won't disapprove it because of that. Make sure that everything is working perfectly. This is relationship this thing category. There's no post there yet. So when the person running this blog will publish a post related to relationship, then the post will appear here. Entertainment, you can see these two posts. So there's two posts here. So I think this tutorial video will be ending here, and I'm so much happy to carry you along to this extent. And if you are able to follow me to this extent, I greet you and I thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be bringing more premium and nice content for you. I love you all. Take care.